Tamo na big up fella, tamo na big up yada. Kene neta me kwani yo bingaya, tamo na big up fella. Keep dugi for wanging X, winyo wanging X. Keep dugi for wanging to X, winyo wanging dene piano gag doroj. Miro no, itika dugu piano gag doroj. Miro no, jalo gag doroj. Miro no, itika dugu piano gag doroj. Miro no, yo, chong netamo ni gua full, netamo logo monata cool. Carechano pekute, what does affect to you now? Imago make no rima, John Chano pakima. Bago ni chini ya kere, kanta bedo mi mapela. Dugu cool chalo cool ba, my phone don't call ba. Ne kola dugu rock na paki, mea pera kicha wapa time westa. Netamo na big fala, netamo na big yala. Keneno ni netame kwani yaya, netamo na big fala. Kita dugi wanging wood, winyo wanging wood. Kita dugi wanging to, winyo wanging de piano gag do. Miro no,
Hi, you there, hope you are doing fine and thank you for coming to this video here. I am DJ Luka as always. If you have been watching my video without subscribing, make sure you do that not to miss any content coming right away from this channel here, and if you have been my subscriber for so long, I'm giving you the thumb up, and please make sure you watch my video at least half of it, share, like my video. You must be wondering how the cut effects are done in Sony Acid Pro. I am going to show you how you can do it exactly the same way in Virtual DJ. But please kindly subscribe to my channel if you are still new. And for now, let's get started. Now, I am going to show you 3 tips of doing this cut effect. The first one is we shall be using the traditional audio cut effect. The only difference is on the mapping and how you will toggle your fingers quickly to use it. Today, I will spice it up a little bit. To get started, go to your virtual DJ settings, then to mapping or controllers. First, select the button of your keyboard that you want to assign the cut effect to. For my case, I am using the tab key. Then in the action area below, type effect cut active while pressed. This simply means that once my finger is on the tab key, the cut audio effect should be applied to the song, and if I withdraw my finger from the button, the song should continue playing normally. Now, just be creative in pressing and releasing your finger quickly and simultaneously on beat to create a nice cut effect that sounds just like it is in Acid Pro. Let's save the mapping, then go back and see how that works.
yeah, easy the lyrical. Tamo na big up fada, tamo na big up yada. Kene neta me kwani yo bingaya, tamo na big up fada. Kita dugi for wanging X, winyo wanging wood X. Kita dugi for wanging to X, winyo wanging dene piano gag doro. Miro no, itika dugu piano gag doro. Miro no, jalo gag doro.
Now that is perfect. I hope yours shall be working too. Please like my video if it was nice. In the second tip, we shall be using the same cut effect, but this time we shall blend another audio effect to it. I like using the flanger effect to make it sound more professional, as if it was processed in Acid Pro. Now go back to your mappings section and select another key that you will use. I will be using Escape button. In the action box, type effect cut active while pressed and effect flanger active while pressed. Here we are assigning 2 different audio effects to the same key at the same time using the same mapping style. Now this simply means both the cut and flanger effects should be applied to the current song while the Escape button is pressed, otherwise, the song should play normally without an effect. I guess you have just learned how to assign two things on the same key if you didn't yet know. If that is true, then type true in the comment section below to let me know if my video is helpful. Now, save the mappings and close this window. Let's try and see how it works.
Yeah, easy the lyrical. Yeah, man, tamo na big up, tamo na big up, yeah. Kene kame kwani obinga, tamo na big up, kita dugi for wangingu X, winyo wangingu X, kita dugi for wangingu wangidane piano gagdora. Itika dugu piano gagdora. Miro no, ya gagdora. Miro piano.
To me, that was really amazing. I love how the flanger effect perfectly blends with the cut effect. Please, let me know what you think in the comments below, and let's move on to the third and last tip. Now, I love challenging myself, and that's how it should be. I one time imagined how the custom cut effect can be achieved by toggling the deck volume on and off frequently on beat, and really it turned to be one of my best ways. This also made me find out that simply muting and unmuting the song quickly on beat, and that was nice too. Now this needs you to be a bit more creative when playing with the button, and let's go to the mappings right away. Select a button on your keyboard. I will be using the page up key. In the action area, type volume equals 0% while pressed. Alternatively, you can also use mute while pressed. This means while my finger is on the key, the song will be completely muted, and if I left the volume will get back to the current deck volume. Let's close this window after saving and see how it works.
Yeah, easy the lyrical. Yeah, tamo na big fala, tamo na big yala. Kene tame kwani ngaya, tamo na big fala. Kita dugi wangi X, winyo wangi kita dugi wangito, winyo wangi den piano gagdor. Miro itika dugu piano gagdor. Miro ya lo gagdor. Miro itika dugu piano gagdor. Miro ay ay ay. Yo, tamo ni full, tamo ni lo monata, ni cool.
Amazing. Now, here is a bonus tip for you. You can also assign a video effect to the same volume button so that both the audio and video are affected at the same time. This is a good one for video mixing. I love using the negative video effect. Rush back to your mappings area and select the button that you want to use. Below it, type volume equals 0% while pressed and video FX negative active while pressed. Let me challenge you to explain what will happen when you press the button in the comments down below. Please save your mappings and try it out. I hope you saw how it works. And that was it all for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this video gave you some new idea. I have the best free mappings for you in my future videos. Please you can appreciate my work by subscribing to my channel so that YouTube can send this video to help as many more friends as possible. You can also be my patron through a link in the description of this video. Thanks once again, and let's meet in my other videos.